Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your email address and your password or your Google account to log in. After ending up within the homepage, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Help Center, which will now show you various different FAQs. Now, from this page, click on Account Help, and you can now directly send a support email to the Swagbucks team. Now, within the subject section, just type in Change Email Address, and underneath, within the question selection menu, click on the drop-down menu, and then choose Email Change. Now, within the description box, you can simply type in that you wish to change the email address that you have used while signing up for your Swagbucks account. After entering this, you can tap on the Submit button, which will now send a support email to the Swagbucks team. Once they have received your email, you will receive a response within your inbox, within which you can simply click on the link that they send within, and you will now be allowed to choose your desired new email address. After typing in your desired new email address, you will once again need to verify this by checking the inbox, and after your new email has been verified, your email address will successfully be changed on your Swagbucks account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.